How are wastebaskets produced? You will know after watching this video. Producing a wastebasket is mainly divided into 3 steps. Step 1. Weld the cut mesh into a circular shape with a TATE seam welding machine. Step 2. Use the TATE roll welding machine to weld the round mesh with round ribs. Step 3. Weld the semi-finished wastebasket to the base using TATE multi-head spot welding machine, and this machine is equipped with automatic unloading. After the above 3 steps, a wastebasket is roughly produced, and then it can be shipped after subsequent processing. We can provide you with full process mature machines and solutions for wastebaskets production. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.